Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power on the Xbox and sign into the profile you'll use. Once done, press the Xbox button to open the guide and navigate to Profile and System Settings. You need your Wi-Fi SSID and password handy. Make sure you know whether you want the 4 GHz or 5 GHz band because range and speed differ. If you prefer, plug an Ethernet cable temporarily so you keep internet access while changing wireless settings. You now navigate Settings, General Network Settings, then choose Set up Wireless Network. Your Xbox scans nearby SSIDs. Pick your network and enter the password slowly, confirming characters as you type so you don't lock out. If your router uses hidden SSID, choose Enter Network manually and type SSID and security type. Once connected, go to Advanced Settings only if you need a static IP or custom DNS. You're almost done. Run Test Network Connection from Network Settings to verify online status. If it fails, restart your Xbox and power cycle the router. Wait 30 seconds before turning the router back on, and then retry the setup. Make sure you aren't exceeding device limits on your router or using MAC filtering. If so, add your Xbox MAC or clear the alternate MAC under Advanced. If problems persist, connect with Ethernet to isolate whether the issue is wireless or account-related, and then troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.